We are here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath apartment 7G. Let's go on in. We're going to go through and see the common areas, and then we'll see the bedrooms in this apartment. And let's go, as we're starting to the left, you can see we have a refrigerator here off the hallway, and in the kitchen area, which is right here, we have another refrigerator, and you can see our cabinet space. We've got great cabinets here in this kitchen. There's a microwave over the sink. There's a dishwasher under the sink, and we have the stove oven over here. This is a compact kitchen layout that is really convenient for the apartment. Here is a half bathroom. A half bathroom is one that has a sink and a toilet. So that's an extra half bath for you to use. Remember, this is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, so that's the half. Let's take a look at the living space. So here's the common room. We have a table, some seating areas. There's a TV. There's an air conditioner that is for the living room area. And let's take a look out the window. We're on the 7th floor and we're facing west right here. So we have beautiful views over to our west. And we actually have a nice view of Cayuga Lake over to our right. That's looking towards the north. I'm gonna zoom in for a second so you can see that. Let's get zoomed. There we go. So there is our beautiful lake view that we have from most of the bedrooms here in the apartment. And let's go and look at more of the apartment. Okay, so here's the living room. Oh, we have another nice feature here. In this living room area, you have a washer and dryer inside the apartment. This is a special feature just in these apartments that are the letter G. So 2G through 9G will have the washer and dryer inside the apartments. Other units here in the building will typically have the laundry access on the 5th floor laundry room. We're going down past the entrance that we came in. That's right over here. And we'll see the first of the full bathrooms. Let's take a look in here. I like this bathroom. We have a standing shower. We have a nice large mirror, the vanity, the toilet, and over here on the right, you can see another nice cabinet over here for toiletries. That's nice to have in the bathroom. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. We're going to start all the way to the right. This is bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 is on the end. All of the bedrooms will have the dresser, a desk or table and chair, a full-size bed, and some sort of closet. Here is the closet for this one. So you can take a look, and it has the door. Let's go over by the window. These first several rooms will be all facing to the west. So again, there's the lake view out there. So bedroom 1, all the rooms will have a lock on the door. And across from that bathroom we were just in is bedroom 2. Let's go on in. So you'll see the bedrooms are all very similar. A very similar setup for the rooms with the furnishings and everything, and that great west view. It's so nice and bright up here. We're on the 7th floor of a 9-floor building. We have this style of apartment with the 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms on floors 4 through 9 here within the building. The main difference will be that bathroom that we were just in, maybe slightly different in the different units on the different floors. So here is the second of the full bathrooms. This is directly across from that main entrance. We've got another one of the standing showers, another big mirror, vanity, toilet, and another one of those cabinets on the wall that does open for storage space in the bathroom. And we're going past the kitchen. We're going into bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 is the special bedroom here within this apartment. We're going in. First, you'll notice that instead of a desk, we have a table. That's to maximize the floor space in this room. You'll see why as we go in. And instead of a closet, we have a wardrobe for your clothes that does open. And let's see, we'll get in here. So you can have some storage and on top as well. This room is a little different. We're still facing west because you have a bathroom here that is inside this room. So this bedroom, bedroom 3, is the one with its own ensuite bathroom. Your own private bathroom in this room only. So you've got the sink, another large mirror, the toilet, another standing shower, and the mirror or the window here is a frosted glass, so that does give you nice privacy here within the room. Okay, let's go see the last 2 bedrooms. So that was 3. We've seen all the bathrooms, 3 of the bedrooms. Let's see the last 2 bedrooms. Over here off the end, this bedroom is bedroom 4. This one is special because we have 2 huge windows. So this is so bright. We're facing to the south over here. Here, this is south and also west. We are on the corner of the building. So the nice bright south and west corner room. There are a lot of good ways to set the furniture up in here. So take a look at some of the other videos to see some ideas. Closet is over here behind the door. And we have one last bedroom. Let's go over and take a look in room 5. Room 5 faces to the south for our view. And you can see out there, again, nice and bright. And all the same furnishings in the rooms with your seating area for your study area, your dresser, bookshelf, closet. So that's a look in apartment 7G. We're in one of the 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom apartments here at Collegetown Plaza. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We are in central Collegetown, and from the corner intersection, we are just 1 block to campus at Collegetown Plaza.